The economic situation is so serious that if it doesn't happen, well, the future is very bleak for our economy. It doesn't give anyone any satisfaction to say that. We are all passionate South Africans. We want our country to succeed. We want people to be in work and lifted out of poverty.
He cannot create the jobs he needs. He's going to create 800,000 jobs. What about the 2.2 million jobs at this moment we know about that has been lost? And it's going to be more when we get the new reports for the new quarters of the term.
We were happy that the President actually did cover a number of things, the issue of infrastructure, which is very good, but didn't speak much of actually another infrastructure is very important to the SOEs, except on what is relating to Transnet. But in terms of SAA, we know that is very important infrastructure in terms of boosting our economy. There's nothing much that was said to that effect.
The government has actually failed in implementing its own policies. So certainly from SONA to date, we have not seen the implementation of some good policies that government itself has. This is largely as a result of corruption. It is largely as a result of an inept government, largely as a result of the challenges of a government that is not as efficient as it ought to be.
It's not like South Africans don't know what's wrong with the economy. It's not like the ANC government does not know what's wrong with the economy. The diagnosis is fine. We know what the challenges are, and probably we might differ here and there about what needs to be done, but we're clear about the direction we need to take. What is required now is leadership on the part of government to ensure that whatever plans we put in place, we implement them and set our eyes towards the targets that we've set for ourselves. You can't set 800,000 we know it's not going to be achieved when in the past.
Bring a few people from outside who can assist in the education of our own people, in the labor, even in business, so that these people can help to educate our own people to work to produce more.
We're just looking forward now that how this is going to be implemented, because there have been so many of these plans that have never been implemented. Then this one, we are just waiting and see how is it going to be implemented. But the president himself now is just asking for people now to come together and do this together.